Hello friends, I have new molds today. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so these are from Let's Resin. I follow their Instagram, and I saw these molds, and when I tell you how excited I was, you have no idea. So they are going to be extremely hard for me to show you on camera, but I'm going to try. Let's see. Actually, here, I'll show you this. So these are tarot card molds. And you can see all the different ones that are in the set. Very cool. So, I think for today I'm only going to do one of these. And my plan is to dust some mica powders onto the molds, fill them up with black resin, and then unmold them and use probably white acrylic paint to get the etched in details in. So that's what we're doing today. Let's go ahead and fast forward through me dusting and pouring the resin in. And then I will come back and talk to you for the demolding and the white acrylic. So let's get to it. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button. And if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. Can you hear me now? I forgot to turn my mic on, even though I have a thing that reminds me to turn my mic on. Anyway, what I was saying was these turned out great. I'm super excited about them. Dr. Crafty comes with these little scrapers and a couple of other things when I order it. So I'm going to try and use it on these. Let's see how it goes. Okay. So we'll let that sit for a minute and we shall continue on. Ooh, I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. Okay. Okay. And then because this is acrylic paint, this will wipe off with wet paper towel. So that's why I have the paper towel here. Now you could use like an old gift card to do this as well. You don't need one of these fancy scraper things. But like I said, they come with the Dr. Crafty that I use, the resin I use. So I figured why not use it. By the way, guys, if you're ever interested in anything that I use in my videos, I've started to leave links to everything in the description. So the resin I use, the molds I use, and if it's an Amazon link, it is an affiliate link now, though I'm sure they'll probably kick me out of the program because no one uses them. But just in case you're ever curious, they are down there. Alright, last one. Hello, get into the middle there. Thank you. Just want to make sure that I definitely get this one good. Not that I couldn't go back and just add more if I needed to. Okay. So there's those. Let's go ahead and wipe this off. And I'm going to cheat, and I'm going to use my heat gun. So I'm going to do that off screen so you guys don't have to listen to it because it's terribly loud. So we'll be back once these are dry and I can wipe them off. Hang tight. Okay, so I actually decided to go with a baby wipe. And see, I got some on the back, but you see how it wipes off cleanly. So hopefully that's the same thing with the front. so it's rubbing off more than I would like. So I'm going to have to go over this one again. But you can see what I mean by like how easily this cleans up. So this one I'm just rubbing really gently. Okay. Alright, so that's sort of the idea. I'm going to clean this up a little bit more. And, yeah, I'm going to show the, of course I'll always show the glamour shots at the end, as long as I have something glamorous to show. So definitely stay tuned for the glamour shots. And yeah, if you like content like this, please stick around by clicking that subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Please do me a huge favor and give this video a thumbs up. It really makes me smile and it helps me find more wonderful humans such as yourselves. So thanks guys again so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.